Hello everyone and welcome back to PasswordLab. Today, we will set up the domain name for our PasswordLab server endpoint and automatically install the valid SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt to secure our server. Before starting our configuration, we need root access to our server, an admin account for our PasswordLab web app, and a domain name. Let's begin by logging in with the admin account on the PasswordLab web app. For this walkthrough, I have pre-selected a subdomain and set the highlighted IP address as a record inside the DNS from my domain registrar. Let's click on the Settings menu and then the App Config menu. I'm going to type my pre-selected subdomain over here. Just a quick reminder, I have already pointed this subdomain toward the highlighted server IP address. If your DNS is not fully propagated, you will receive an error like this. To fix this issue, all you need to do is wait until it is fully propagated. If your DNS is fully propagated, you will receive a success message like this. Now, it's time to log into our server as the root user. We need to restart the PasswordLab service to apply the new configuration. This step will apply the new configuration and automatically get and install the SSL certificate to our domain. Let's check the PasswordLab service to ensure everything went well. This active status in green means that everything went well, and we now have a valid SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt for our domain. Now, copy the domain name and open it in a new tab. Here, we can see the connection is secure. We can also check the SSL certificate details by clicking here. We now have a valid SSL certificate for our domain by Let's Encrypt. I hope you enjoyed our configuration walkthrough. You can also check our docs for a more detailed explanation.